At NRC, we have been supplying radios for customers to connect their workforce throughout the UK. We are one of the fastest growing radio communication companies and specialist manufacturer of our DigiX product range. We also supply the leading manufacturers Motorola, Kenwood, ICOM and Hytera professional two-way radio systems. Our staff are professionally trained to work in all sectors, including education, construction, leisure, security, retail, hospitality, healthcare, industry, manufacturing and transport. To ensure our customers get the best results, our sales and service staff support and advise every step of the way, and they are available to provide on-site demonstrations at customer locations. Please contact our team today for more information. Visit our website at www.nrcradio.co.uk or call 0151 263 9993.